Hey Derek, it's Chad at Kia. Van Griffith Kia in Granbury. I just wanted to go ahead and do you a quick little walk around on this Soul, so you can just get a real idea of what your daughter's looking at and what we're kind of talking about. So this is the popular package. It gives you the touchscreen, also gives you the rear backup camera. Okay. Some of the things that it does give you are your Bluetooth.
Please say a command after the beep.
FM 92.5.
FM 92.5.
Okay, see that? And then, of course, you do have cruise control, as well as your trip and your reset. And there are 4,701 miles on this car. And then she does have the Active Eco, so that's good it gives you a little bit better gas mileage. And then, of course, auto headlights here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors are all standard. Cruise control and Bluetooth also come with that. And then, of course, the console. Okay. Give me 1 second, I'm going to hop out and let you see the car from the outside. Alright, here it is. Forte LX, popular package. It's a pretty, you can't really tell in the picture or the video, but it's a snow white pearl. And excuse the dust that's on it, it's pollen season and just the rain and everything else doesn't help. But it's a good view of the car. I'm sure you guys are familiar, but I want to just make sure you kind of really get a good feel for it. So, alright, I hope this kind of gives you an idea. Good space back in the back seat. Cup holders in all four doors, as well as both center consoles. So, and of course the safety features of the Kia are top notch. This car has an all-around 5-star crash safety rating. Alright, if you have any questions, give me a call.